everybody, Kasune Haru here. Welcome to my channel. This time around, I have the Miniverse Make It Mini Lifestyles. We're going to cross our fingers and hope the resin doesn't disappoint. But I would love to have the little bird feeders and bird houses. All of them are pretty cute. Looks like it's mostly plants. But anyway, let's just jump right in and have a look. Looks like there are 12 to create and collect. Let's at least see what we got. Alright. Ooh. Things just went everywhere. Now this little thing makes a stand. Looks like I have got some nice flowers. Just add flowers. Must be the vase. Oh, here's the legs for the stand. A pair of tweezers. There we go. Now, the last one of these I did, I thought I had it fully set up, and I found a resin leak a few weeks later. Was not real thrilled by that. See what's in here. A big bottle of resin. So this little box should have the vase in it. Oh, goodness. That's a different one. Some grassy stuff. Let's see what it wants us to do. Okay, so we're doing the poppies. They're just kind of scattered about in there, and the liquid keeps them in. Alright. Directions should be pretty easy. Yep. Pour it in there, stick it in there. It says you can trim them. And then nuke them. Alright. Pretty simple. Make sure this is thoroughly mixed. Gotta squeeze that pretty hard to get it out. But there's some in there. Enough, I'd think. Let's open these up. Some lovely fuzzy flocked stems. I don't know what my chances are of getting it to stand up properly like that. Probably not real good, I'd think. But it does say to trim the stems. So, let's do that. Not the easiest thing, but not impossible. Set those right down in. And then we nuke it. Alright, and this time it looks like the resin worked out just fine. About 6 minutes underneath my light, and it did the job. They are definitely in there. Kind of cute. Not my typical style for, decor, but I can live with that. These sit right in here. Very nice. We got a good working one, and no problems. Love that they box their little containers too. I really, really would love to have that little bird feeder, birdhouse. The hummingbird feeder would be awesome. I've got another one of these hanging around, so we'll see what happens. Ooh, look at the roses. Of course, I already have roses from the Valentine's set, but you can never have too many roses. So guys, what do you think? Do you have any of these, and have you tried them yet? And have you been lucky with the resin? I've been very hit or miss if you've watched the other videos. But so far, so good on this one. These little bottles you could keep. That resin is still good in there, if it works in the first place. If you have a cat like mine, though, it's going to steal them. Just be aware of that. They love it. So guys, like, subscribe, share, visit me on Patreon, Etsy, Discord, and Rumble. Thank you so very much for watching, and I will see you next time.